everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 20 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing an up exercise, bicycle, down on the mat. Extend your legs, place your hands behind your head. From here we're gonna cross the elbow outside the opposite knee. We're gonna go for 100 reps. Can we do this? Yes, we can. Okay, off we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, keep going. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Oh my God. That was amazing. Great up exercise. Thank you so much for joining me today. Day 20. We are 2/3 of this challenge. Only 10 days left. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.